pleasure that I welcome you all to the very first ASEP Smart Convention. This inaugural event marks a special milestone in our collective journey towards shaping the future of structural engineering.
So, without much further ado, I would like to open this Smart 2024 Conference Open. Mabuhay tayo lahat.
Welcome you to the ASEP Convention, Structures and Materials, Advances, Research and Technologies, or SMART 2024.
I wish to underscore ASEP's crucial role in achieving our collective aspirations as civil engineers, as global practice is geared towards specialization.
Each one brings a wealth of experience and groundbreaking ideas, ready to share how their smart approaches have revolutionized design and construction practices. We will witness the birth of new perspectives and groundbreaking solutions.
And we have 12 local, international speakers and about 26 parallel sessions.
Earthquake recording instrumentation in the Philippines. Trying to handle earthquake instruments, installation and maintenance, as well as looking at the entire system.
Again, welcome, and you learn something every day if you pay attention. Thank you.
This is a very good opportunity to actually glorify God with what I've learned and tell you everything, share with you what I know.
We will now be holding our Q&A session.
What are your basic skills?
There's what we call a slight damage, moderate damage, extensive.
How many minutes I think a while ago mentioned that.
Do you really feel that how to be?
All we need to do is double that and then set it down. Signed the Secretary, Dr. Rodolfo Mendoza Jr., signed Vice President of All Chair, yours truly, and of course our President, Engineer Mark Nelson Yusuf.